So Shaggy basically an old Filipino game. It is a pattern wherein yung leader make a various movement and then susundan. How do you say it? Follow. And then the next person will follow and then so on and so forth. And then of course yung taong magkarong.
Wow, you're calling you.
And the one who gets it wrong, of course, out. Okay. Feel ko, ang hirap nagkarambol ang utak ko guys. Bisaya, Tagalog, English. But anyway, feeling ko, dapat meron kang entry. And then you time us para makita namin.
Yes, love to see your entries. But I think it's better if you give them a sample. Are you ready? Let's go, girls.
Shaggedy, shaggedy, shabobo. Shaggedy, shaggedy, shabobo. Shaggedy, shaggedy, shabobo.
Yeah, that was Shaggedy. Sobrang iksi kasi nga, Shaggedy. Pag mahaba, Shaggedy. Yeah, pag mahaba,
Yes.
full version Shaggedy. Pero that was Shaggedy and Blooms. We will be waiting for your entries, okay? Ay,